There you go. I installed all the Velcros on each side. All the white Velcros, of course, because they're translucent. And it's really nice. So the guys at Trish sent me this DJ booth. And everything that you need comes in there. And I'm going to set it up. And you're going to see how beautiful this little box turns into a whole DJ setup. Okay, so I installed everything that is hardware and I put it together. Basically, you start from the bottom. These are the A's right here. These extensions here are the B's, right? And really, it's this tall, right? But you can make it shorter if you want. There's a way of doing it, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So these are the A's. These extensions are B. So this is an extension right here. This is another extension that is turned into C, right? So it's A's into B's into C's. And then you install the surface where like all your controllers and everything is going to be, right? And then you install these G's, which is, the area above, right? So now you install this, and the last piece that you put together is this H that you have here, because that's where the laptop is going to be situated. You'll see it at the end. Now, the other thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to install this Velcro around these edges. Because with this Velcro, you have two choices. Either black or white material so that you can cover the panels on the side, right? So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you where I am at this point. Every piece of fabric has Velcro on the edges, and we are going to put it like this. You see, you find the corner. You're going to find this corner right here, and you're going to start there, and then you press it real nice. Right? You're going to find the first corners. You see? And now you press it and make sure that it lines up perfectly there. You see? There you go. So you need to Velcro all the way to the bottom. And now we're going to do it here. There you go. I installed all the Velcros on each side. All the white Velcros, of course, because they're translucent. And it's really nice with the Velcros to play with the light. So then you can present from the back a very nice any LED that you have, and it's gonna look beautiful. It can be just a solid color, or it could be like this, which is a prism of different colors. Now, I'm gonna show you how the setup is. This is a beautiful DJ setup, right? You have space to do a setup where you have a turntable plus your DJ controller, right? And you put your microphone, you put everything nice, and you see, you got your Serato and everything going right there. And I think that in any wedding, any party, this setting is going to look very beautiful, which is important for those special occasions where you're going to be DJing in special events and creating memories. I'm very, very excited about how it looks. But what I'm also excited as a travel DJ is how to put it away and how this is portable. And that will be the next. So once you undo these screws, right? They're done by hand. Like, you see those screws? Once you undo these screws, then you'll be able to take this top part. This top part, you'll be able to take it out. Okay? Make sure you keep these in a little bag safe because they're going to be hard to find and you need them for the assembly of this thing. Okay, so put them in its own little bag. And then this folds like an accordion. Okay? Fold it like an accordion. And you put this to the side. Right? And everything's going to go in this bag. And then you take the top off the countertop. See? You can pop it right up. Here you go. Pop it right up. Okay. So you take this part and put it to the side. And then you're going to hold this also like an accordion. Now all of that stuff is gonna go in this bag. Okay? It's in the bag. You put it sideways and you zip this one right here. Make sure you can see it. Right? Zip this one right here. Get rid of it. Now it's gonna be easier to put the other elements in here. Okay? Take the countertop. Put it in there as well. See that? Countertop. Actually, put it like that. I wanted to show you how it goes. Easier. Okay? And now, once that side is done, you take the accordion on the top, you put it on this side. You put the triangle where the computer X goes, and then you take the fabric, you put it in there, and that's it. Zip it. And you're ready for the next gig.